My name is Rayhan Khan.
My name is Rayhan Raja.
My name is Arhant Magdum. And my name is Nikhil Sivanthi. And we welcome you to Golden Sands, where you taste the desert! Golden Sands is a Dubai-inspired food truck offering bold Middle Eastern flavors with a sleek black and gold design. Featuring halal-certified dishes such as spiced oyster sliders and golden baklava bites, we combine authenticity with modern appeal to cater to diverse audiences.
Our target market includes adventurous eaters, health-conscious individuals, and families. With halal, vegetarian, and globally inspired options, we meet the needs of customers seeking inclusive, high-quality meals.
Adobe Express was key in creating our truck design, menu, and social media visuals. Its templates and customization tools allow us to craft professional, cohesive branding quickly and efficiently.
Using Adobe Express saved time and enhanced creativity, ensuring high-quality visuals that reflect the premium experience of Golden Sands. It brought our vision to life with bold and allowed our customers to taste the desert!